about ChatGPT is it's only as good as the prompts you give it. Here I've asked it to write me an article about how to use chatbots in order to convert website visitors into customers. It's not SEO optimized, it's probably not going to pass an AI detector, and I've got to do a lot of work on it after the output has finished in order to get it up to standard, which is actually going to rank in Google. So let me show you what you should be doing instead with your prompt. So here is the kind of prompt that you want to be using. Don't panic, it was down in the description for you to access, but I've given it tons and tons of guidance on how I want it to set out the blog post and also how I want it to be optimized for SEO. You can see here I've got the question exactly the same as before, and look how different this now looks. I've got my H1 title, introduction, I've got my table of contents, which is the ranking factor in Google, and then I've got all of my H2 headings here, everything laid out nicely, exactly how I want it, and there's a lot less work for me to do. I can run it through an AI detector if I want to, and then I can put it onto my site and save myself a huge amount of time just by investing a bit in the prompt.